what is the top speed of the i8?
250 kilometers per hour.
Really?
So it's limited.
What? Without a limiter? I mean, has anyone taken the limiter off, or?
Yeah, the problem is, there's a mirror missing.
Is it what?
A mirror.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, without the limitation, the problem is that the gearbox.
Oh, really?
The electric gearbox
I see, yeah.
would be damaged,
That's interesting.
and that is why they limit. Why they limit it?
So that's. So it's not, would that be the power or just the actual speed of the cogs going around? Would that be the power that you if you took the limiter off, the thing is just moving faster?
Not that much. But until 250, it really goes quick. It's really nice.
I remember going on the i3 down this thing.
But now we have a car in front of us. We will overtake him in a couple of seconds.
It's amazing how it growls. Holy shit.
160, 170, 180, 190, 200, 210, 220, 230, 240,
Holy shit.
250. And now you feel the limiter.
Prius, take that. Prius is everywhere.
157 kph, no, miles per hour.
How many miles is that?
mph.
150. Wow. That was pretty impressive. It's quick to. What's the 0 to 60?
4.2 seconds.
Wow.
We will try. Later. Yeah, it's really quick, isn't it?
Yeah. That's amazing.
And the sound is not that bad.
Yeah.
It's composed, of course.
Yeah.
But I think it sounds pretty nice.
It's pretty solid, isn't it? On the road. It's
Yeah, it's very smooth.
just